Star Systems International specializes in AVI applications which require transponders that can perform at high speeds in noisy environments. Star RFID transponders are designed to ensure fast and accurate vehicle identification when it matters most. Throughout manufacturing, we utilize durable materials and specialized processes designed for the needs of AVI applications. Each antenna is precisely aligned on the substrate, then carefully dried and inspected by a certified operator to ensure quality and readiness. High-speed bonding equipment ensures precise chip placement and alignment with the antenna, critical for transponder performance. The high-speed laminator seamlessly bonds multiple layers of automotive-grade materials with exceptional precision and speed, delivering superior quality and efficiency. With comprehensive expertise in converting transponders, we can further boost operational flexibility and enhance workflows. The digital inkjet printer delivers high-res CMYK graphics, logos, and serialized designs for customizable on-demand production. Designed for the industry's evolving needs, our Personalization Bureau offers variable printing and customizable commissioning, meeting diverse security and application requirements. We are ISO 9001 certified and maintain rigorous quality standards throughout our operations. Our antennas are specifically designed with automotive-grade materials and are precisely tuned for optimal AVI performance. With state-of-the-art equipment, we can validate every transponder's true electrical performance. All transponders undergo extensive testing under a range of environmental and operational conditions to guarantee long-term performance and quality in AVI applications. Star Systems International and Star RFID are committed to innovation and performance, playing a pivotal role in advancing vehicle identification, supporting system integrators, and enabling V2X solutions worldwide.